I'm Sumugam. I'm an ophthalmologist and oculoplastic surgeon from Malaysia, practicing Kuala Lumpur. So I was here for the last 1 week attending the course. Overall, I find it very informative and it's beneficial to my practice. As we all know, I think in the field of ophthalmology, we've been using Botox for the functional purposes, whether it's to treat blepharospasm or hemifacial spasm. So over here, of course, I got a feel on how Botox can be used for the cosmetic side. So of course, it's an eye opener and feeder as well. So for those ophthalmologists who's keen to take their practice a step ahead for the into cosmesis, I think this is a good ground to start. It gives me a holistic way of looking at things, and I think it will definitely be beneficial in my practice. The lectures were good, quite an ample amount of practice as well. And although I don't know how much I can go back and start straight away, but I think it is good to start somewhere. So the hands-on is definitely beneficial in that sense. And all those lecturers and everybody else who's given us sessions are well informed. They are the experts of their fields, and it was a great session.